I am Monisha. I am going to do seminar on XML schemas. And first introduction of XML schema. XML schema describes the structure of an XML document. XML schema language is also referred to as XML schema definition. XML document can have a reference to a DTD or an XML, and purpose of schema is to define the legal building blocks of an XML document just like DTD. And purpose of an XML schema, it has purpose of defining element that can appear in the document, and attributes can also appear within the elements, and elements are child elements. It defines the child elements, and it defines the sequence which the child elements can define the number of child elements, define whether an element is empty or an index text, define default values for attribute. And next, features of XML schema. XML supports data type and it supports namespace. It provides built-in primitive data type which includes byte, string and integer floating point number, countries code and language code, etc. And it also provides ability to define customer data type, and it is easy to describe available content in the document, and easy to validate the correctness of data, and it is also easier to convert data between different data type, and it is easy to define data formats. It is easy to define restrictions on data, and XML is written in XML, so any XML editor can be used to edit XML schemas. They are extensible and they are written in XML. And next we are moving to limitations of XML. XML schema are not designed to a human readable languages, and XML schema are intended to be read by machines. It can be only read by machines, it cannot be read by humans. And XML schema are verbose and secure data communication of XML schema. When sending from a sender to a receiver, it is essential that both parts have the same expectations about the content. With XML schema, the sender can describe the data in a many that the receiver will understand. In many way that the receiver will understand. A data like 3 level 2004 will in same country be interpreted as 3rd November and in other countries as 11th March. However, an XML elements with a data type like this, data type date 2004 3 level, ensures a mutual understanding of the content, because the XML data type data requires the year, month and date. And next, types of XML schemas. We have two types of XML schemas, that is simple types and complex type. And introduction of simple and complex types are: simple type, elements that can be contain only text. In simple types we have only text contain elements, no children elements, and we cannot use children and attribute elements. We can use numeric dates and times, URL, etc. And creating a new simple type if you want a refine and existing simple type. And next, complex type, elements that have other elements or attributes. It can contain other elements or an attributes. It can contain child elements and attributes. Most of created elements are complex types. Thank you.